Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your device and OS so you apply the right steps. Once done, back up settings and create a restore point. This protects you if something breaks. Next, close all running programs and disable the camera or microphone to prevent active tracking. Then, open Settings, go to Privacy or Device Controls, and locate eye tracking or gaze tracking entries so you can take the first real action now. Now, disable the feature inside the OS and any vendor apps. Flip the eye tracking toggle and confirm. After that, stop background services tied to tracking. Use Task Manager on Windows or SystemTool on Linux so nothing restarts. Next, uninstall drivers, plugins, or browser extensions that enable gaze capture. Remove them via Device Manager or the app uninstaller. If a vendor app resists removal, run its finish by rebooting so changes take effect, then verify in Settings and by checking privacy indicators that eye tracking no longer runs. Run a quick detection scan or privacy audit to find leftover processes or drivers. Inspect logs for anything with vendor names. If tracking persists, perform a factory reset or reinstall OS as a last resort and contact vendor support. Troubleshooting tip: if removal breaks functionality, temporarily re-enable settings, export error logs, then attempt targeted removal with that diagnostic data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.